Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to allow cracked clients to join your Minecraft server. Before we begin, it's important to understand that allowing cracked or non-premium clients to join your server can introduce security risks. This means you have to disable authentication, which removes Mojang's account verification. This makes your server more vulnerable. To help reduce this risk, we strongly recommend adding extra security using authentication plugins. However, onto the tutorial. To disable it on a normal Minecraft server, all you have to do is open your server control panel, go to the files, and locate server.properties. Then after, find the following line: online mode equals true. All you have to do is change it to online mode equals false. Once that's done, save the file and restart your server. Once the server starts back up, cracked Minecraft clients will now be able to join. Now if you're running a BungeeCord network, you'll need to disable online mode on the BungeeCord proxy as well. So all you have to do is open your BungeeCord control panel, go to files, and then open the config.yml file. There, find the following option: online mode true. And again, you have to change it to online mode false. Once that's done, save the file and restart your BungeeCord server. Once restarted, cracked clients will be able to join your network. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.